Hey guys, as you can tell by the title, I'm not going to be here for like a month. Tara's in the back. Yeah, since I'm leaving for a month, there's not going to be any videos. But I am going to be working on animation. Ding, ding, ding. Yeah, Tara's over there. Oh, I need to show you guys Tara's new haircut. Oh, baby. Show you this new haircut. Tara's hair got matted, so her hair is super short. Look at her tail. It's skinny. I think she won't show you. I'll just tell you. It's skinny and it's puffy. Well, yeah, since I'm going to be gone for like a month or so, I'm going to be working in animation. And my computer just went black. There, fix it. So, there might be another video today. I'm not sure. We're packing today, and on Tuesday we're going to Colorado. Then after that, after we're there for like a week, we'll go to Indiana for a week. Then we go to New York for 2 weeks. Yep, that's it. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching this quick little video, and goodbye.